Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Muskan Nath and I'm your educational counselor from Sure Solution Consultancy. If तपाईहरु low income family देखि belong गर्नुहुन्छ र युरोपमा at an affordable fee settle हुन चाहनुहुन्छ भने Malta is the best country for you. किनभने माल्टामा without IELTS low GPA र तपाईको gap छ भने पनि apply गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Secondly, Malta को official language English भएको हुनाले student ले कुनै पनि language related problemहरू face गर्नु पर्दैन. Thirdly, student can pay their fee after getting their visa. अनि Malta त पुग्नु भयो त्यसपछि के गर्ने त? You don't have to worry about that. किनभने हाम्रो head office माल्टामा भएको हुनाले गर्दा हामीले चाहिँ student लाई different facilities हरु provide गर्छ even after reaching their destination. So जस्तै accommodation हरु arrangement गर्दिने, SIM card हरु available गराइदिने, अनि student हरुलाई airport pickup हरु दिने र part time job खोज्नमा assist गर्ने यो सबै facilities हरु हामीले provide गर्छौं. So जाने हैन त माल्टा